grab yourself a glass of wine. Join me as I do a capsule wardrobe that I'm packing for this heavy travel season this fall. I'm going to be packing things even like suede jackets. So come along with me as I pack this capsule wardrobe. Hey Janice from Theory of Simple. Thanks for coming back to my channel today. Well, it's fall and there's a lot of traveling to be done for the holidays, and I wanted to do a video on a capsule wardrobe that I will be packing for the fall. How I do it, how I'm going to be incorporating things like this suede jacket, and how I'm going to make it something that's enjoyable for me. So come along with me as I pack my capsule wardrobe for the fall. Number one, grab yourself something good to drink, and then we'll get set up. So as you can see, I have a little corner of my guest bedroom set up to be my staging area for everything. And all I did was buy a garment rack. This is a foldable garment rack. I can fold it down, it'll slip underneath the bed, but I can set everything out that I need on this garment rack. You'll see here it fits right into the corner of the room, and I've added this little garment holder here for things like hats and accessories that don't necessarily hang. I've also set myself up over here with my jewelry and my hair things so that I can take a look at everything all encompassing that I'm going to need to be packing into my carry-on, because you know I travel with just carry-ons, that's all I carry. But you know it's very challenging in the winter, especially when you're wearing things like jackets. So I have everything set up here. It doesn't mean I'm going to bring everything with me. It just allows me to try things on and get things all set up to see what I actually want to pack in my carry-on suitcase. So 2 mirrors here, one that I can use for accessories, and then a full-length mirror here that I can use to see full length of what I'm wearing. I've even set up some candles and a glass of wine, just setting the mood so this becomes a nice, wonderful experience as I pack for this trip. If you don't have room in your bedroom or a spare bedroom to set something like this up, you can still do this simply by using something like this. This is a over-the-door rack. If I can get it open here, you'll see it opens up just like that. This hangs over your door, and then you can just hang some things here. At least that gives you some space to start hanging things. I'll also use this on my door to hang things that I'm not going to be taking. So as I try them on, I'll hang this on the door and I'll put things on here that I'm not going to be taking. That means everything left on the rack will be things that I need to pack in my suitcase. Of course, with any packing, I always start with what I'm going to be wearing on the plane. And I always wear my Prana travel pants. I like these because they're really stretchy and they fit well. They always hold their shape. I've had these things for over 10 years and I wear them for every flight, and they are great. I also wear my stretchy black collared shirt because I can use it as a shirt or as a cover-up. And on this trip, I'm actually going to be wearing my suede jacket onto the plane because I don't want to fold it up and it'll take up too much room in my suitcase. So these are my flight things that I'm going to be wearing on the plane. Normally I wear tennis shoes on the plane, but it is the fall season and I wear a lot of boots, and I'm going to be wearing these boots. These boots are travel boots. They're nice. They have this little bit of elastic here, which allows me to slip these on and off as I go through security. They're also not too high. They're flat, just with a little bit of a heel. So if I need to make it quickly through an airport, these will allow me to kind of run and catch anything that I need to. Plus they're kind of bulky and I don't want to put them in a suitcase and take up that much room. So these will be my flight shoes on this trip. This suede jacket and hat were the inspiration for the colors of my fall wardrobe. My rule is that everything has to be used in 3 outfits, and if it's not usable in 3 outfits, it gets hung up onto the rack. I start with my bulkier items first because those take up the most room. So this includes things like rain jackets and denim jackets, vests, and hats. Everything will be tried on with a variety of accessories just to see how they'll come together and how often I use them. Layering offers variety with a minimal number of items to pack. My wardrobe staples like black and denim pair well with the colors that I've chosen for this fall capsule wardrobe. You'll see these black travel pants are a staple for many of my outfits. And don't be afraid to have fun with something that you may not think packing. It could turn out to be a really good surprise. Denim is a classic, and you'll see that it's part of all of my capsule wardrobes. So everything I pack usually has some denim, either in bottoms or in tops. This stretch black tank dress is a staple. I can wear it as a house dress in the morning. I can put it on with flip-flops and go to the pool. I could put a denim shirt over it or even something nicer over it to create a multitude of outfits. You'll see animal print throughout this capsule wardrobe in bits and pieces, as small as the scarf or as large as my raincoat and that furry vest, but they always give me a nice pop of color and texture. Black is always a basic, and I'm taking this long black tank dress and adding a lace sleeve top and belt just to give me something a little more stylish. And here I'm going to layer it with an animal print furry vest just to give me a little bit more texture. Here I'm taking that same top with the lace arms and I'm pairing it with a pair of plaid pants. Changing into a tank and a denim snap shirt and a new belt will give this outfit a completely different feel. And you're going to need something comfortable just to hang around the hotel room or the house, and by changing my tops, I get a couple of different varieties. And now we've pared everything down and we're ready to see what made the cut. Whew, that was a lot of work. Let's find out what actually did make the cut. So obviously the suede jacket makes the cut. This was like the inspiration for this whole wardrobe, the colors, so that made the cut. This beautiful fur vest, it's so comfortable and soft, that made the cut. This wonderful animal print rain jacket, that made the cut. You always have to have a rain jacket in this season, so that's something that'll come. This vest is something that is a staple. It's packable, really soft, and packs really well. It also comes up high around my neck, so if it gets really cold, this will actually be able to keep me warm. Stretch denim. You can never go wrong with stretch denim. This made the cut. My woolly hoodie. This is something I wear probably every single day. It goes under my jackets. It just wears well by itself. This is some part of my staples. This hat made the cut because it's soft, it looks great, and it folds up nice like this. It still holds its shape when you unpack it. My other inspiration piece, which is my hat, will also be part of this. It'll go up in the overhead bin. I'll wear it on the plane. I have wool tanks, leggings, obviously my little pajama pants here. I'm gonna bring a pair of leather gloves just in case it gets a little cold. 2 silk scarves. These fold up into almost nothing, so these are great to have with you. And of course, I'm gonna bring my check blanket scarf shawl. I know it's a little bit big, but I'll use it as a blanket on the plane. I can use it as a blanket at home if I need to cover up. So it's something that will come with me and be cute to wear one day. And I'm going to bring my plaid pants because they're stretchy and comfortable. They have this nice elastic waist because, you know, it's gonna be eating a lot of food during turkey time. These actually didn't make the cut and I forgot to take them out. I don't have enough to wear with these. I already have 3 pairs of pants, so these actually didn't make the cut, but I forgot to take them out. My jeans, you've got to have a good pair of jeans to wear. I love these jeans because they have this pocket that looks like it has the little flap here, but you can actually put things in it. It's a great pair of jeans. Oh, and they're also boot cut, so they go over my boots really well. Snap denim shirt, just a staple to wear around, you know, every day. This is something that, again, I wear this a lot. My cute little plaid top, I just love the colors again for fall. It's so comfortable and I just love the embroidery on it. My black shirt with the lace sleeves, again, sweater material here, stretchy lace here, really comfortable. I love the little ruffled collar, it gives it a nice detail. I've had this tank for years. I love it. I wear it all the time. And if you notice, it has little suitcases on it. So it's a perfect little top to take with you when I travel. I love how it's 2 layered here and it's so comfortable. My animal print skirt. Again, I wear leggings under this because it's a split skirt. It also has a nice stretchy back for those times when I'm going to be eating a lot of food. My denim dress, oh, so comfortable. I love this thing a lot. I can wear it unbelted. I can wear it belted, leggings, no leggings. I can wear it probably for all seasons. It's a great thing to have in the wardrobe. My dress I'll probably wear on Thanksgiving. I love the colors in it. I can wear it belted or unbelted, really comfortable. I love the elastic around the sleeves so I can push the sleeves up if I need to be working in the kitchen. My Chico's traveler's dress, I've had this thing for years. I can wear it with flip-flops to the pool. I can dress it up with a belt and all kinds of things. This is something that goes with me all the time. My little crossbody bag. And my big purse that I'll put a lot of things in. This will go on the plane with me and I'll be able to keep my blanket, shawl, and some things in here to take with me on the plane. My boots, love these because they stretch. I can slip them on and off at security. My flip-flops, because these are things that I wear around the house as slippers. And sneakers. I gotta have my sneakers so I can take my walks. Didn't try on all the jewelry and everything. Those are things that don't take up much space, so I can pack those pretty easily. I do have some belts here that I'm going to take. So my black stretchy belt, then my brown leather belt that's nice and wide, and then this animal print stretchy belt also. Both all stretchy, which is really great because if I'm eating a lot of food, these will stretch with me. I pack all my jewelry in this Veronica Bari jewelry organizer here. I love that it keeps all of my earrings and my rings separated. There's a place here for my ankle bracelet and my regular bracelet. I can even keep a little extra pouch here. It has a zip pouch to put things in, and then a nice place to organize all of my necklaces so that they don't get all tangled, and some little extra pockets for pendants or other little things. So this is something that will go with me. It's also small enough that I can fit that in that black bag and have it with me. So if they say, hey, you've got to check your overhead luggage because it's a really crowded flight, I can have this in my bag and feel like I have all my jewelry with me. I have a variety of hair things like clips to keep my hair up, and you know, all kinds of things for my hair because it's got to get out of the way sometimes, but a lot of it has to do with animal print you'll see here, and those don't take up much room, but they're important to have on the trip. And that's it. That is my capsule wardrobe for fall. I hope you found something useful and interesting in this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, have a wonderful fall, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys in the next video.